My name is Shams Rabiu. I am a native Hausa from Katsina State in northern Nigeria. For nearly 2 decades, I have been teaching Hausa to different students of different age and background. This has given me an insight that a teacher needs to use different approach and methods considering the age and background of his students. For instance, while we emphasize on developing these four skills reading, listening, writing, and speaking we also need to understand the learner's purpose of learning the language. Some learn it for academic purpose, some learn it for business purpose, and some even learn it for leisure. So this needs to be considered when applying different methods of teaching the language. Then one important thing is their culture. We need to identify the learner's culture and compare it with Hausa culture. There are similarities and differences. This goes a long way in helping the student learn the language better. And I try to expose my students to different materials, visual materials, audio-visual materials, and audio materials that will help them master the language and at the same time assimilate it. Then they also develop their vocabulary and they develop confidence in speaking the language. So these are some of the ways that I have been helping my students in person and online learn Hausa language. Na gode kwarai, Allah ya samu dace.